economic and political activities. It is a system where Oromo's belief and identity merged. The Boranas, one of the tribes of Oromo, have conserved the ancient Gedaa system to date. As practice their administrational and religious customs in these forests. Three, 7, and 8 hold special meaning for the people of Borana. The people's wisdom, philosophy, as well as the Gedaa system are expressed within these numbers. They say, Gedaa sent 3, blessed 7, and added 8. The Oromo people believe that 8 is a gift from God. Hence, the Gedaa system rotates within a period of 8 years. The Gedaa system bases on age grade classes called Luba. Actual responsibilities. Each Gedaa class remains in power for a specific term or Gedaa, which begins and ends with a formal power transfer ceremony. Gedaa is held every 8 years, replacing Gedaa officials and boys passing through different rigorous tiers. According to scholars and elders, the system has lived more than a century. As per the 160 years, the laws drafted by Dawe Gobo, who is known as the father of Gedaa laws,
Gedaa Sirats
fraction of the system. It embraces many things. Gedaa, for example, includes the community's belief. Now we cannot differentiate Gedaa from belief because it has basis on truth, and the truth is always from God. That makes Gedaa a belief.
ማለት ራሱ አንድ እምነት ነው።
Rawadi Hall is being built for the high-ranking people called Hayuadulas. During the process, the ceremony starts by building the cultural hall named Galma. Then, the Dawa festival happens, followed by Ibayu.
Dawa Ibayu, በቦረና ዲባዩ ዳዋም
In Gedaa, Dawa and Ibayu are more related to each other. In Borana's custom, they come consecutively with few time variations. First Dawa, then Ibayu.
Ababoku, who is the head of the Gedaa system, leads the Dawa ceremony. Ayu Adula blesses the people riding horses barefoot, holding their sword and moving in the neighborhood. Includes Ayu Adulas and the Ababoku.
Ibayu, Rabiva, Abatalo, Gadaroba, Gadahormo, Ahorbeso.
These 7 people represent the 7 clans of Borana. When they bless the neighborhood rotating 3 times, they believe that they have blessed the whole Borana. After complete, go to the forest for prayer and sacrifice rituals. So, everybody should put away their weapons. In the Dawa ritual, calf and non-neutered gods are present for sacrification. The Ababoku doesn't get off from the horse till a Boranas have kept their norm and cultural practices for years, and is making sure that the practices are taking place according to the original tradition.
During the ceremony, blessing is the main thing in the Dawa Dibayu ritual. We beg God for his blessings. We bless the people, the grass, the land, the water, Borana, and the country. You have made it to Borana because you have the blessing. Through our prayers, people's life changes for good and our pasture land will flourish.
It is a 2-day event which mainly incorporates prayers. In Borana's tradition, people, animals, and culture have a unique interconnection. People who contributed cows for the ceremony get gift of special clothes perfumed by frankincense, tobacco, salt, and a sheep are slaughtered. To emerge, people who know and preserve history and profit the future. The other heifer is called Rat Roba, which means rain. Henry with rain. According to Borana's belief, sheep is a sacred animal to have happy ending. Abbaa Gadaa gets ready for prayer, drinking buna qala, which is made of milk, butter, and coffee bean. As he sets to prayer, he puts away his weapon and everything. He will only wear a piece of fabric that doesn't include belt. Mudde, or butter, is a symbol of anointment. This ceremony takes place every morning in every hayus of Borana people just before they start to watch over their cattle during the daytime. Love for their cattle, they sit in front of their cattle and their wives put on butter on them. During their Divayu, they spend their time in Gedaa system. Religion and administration are two different things. Kwalu leads the religious fraction, while Abbaa Gadaa leads the administration fraction, even though they have lived together for many years. Gedaa officials gather around Arebero forest For a person who is under the Gedaa system, Wadesa will always be there throughout his lifetime. Wadesa is a tree which is cut while naming the firstborn boy. When they shave the little boy's hair, Dure to Gedaa period of his life, including Abbaa Gadaa Guyo Goba and other Adulas during their Dure period hold a stick made of Wadesa which has a smelling material and salt tied on top of the stick. That is a good wish to smell good like frankincense during their leadership period. When they are replaced by others, they still change it to Mektari. Also has events that cannot be observed by others. Now, we are allowed to take a look at the ceremony, leaving our
bakka aadaa tan irratti hir'udha. Argama aadaa tan biyyaanuu babal'isa inni.
We learn this ceremony from our elders, starting from our childhood. We will be teaching these cultural practices to our children. We allow you to take a look at this ceremony for the same cause. We want our culture to be known by other people and to be documented as well.
ዋዩ ማለት ልመና ማለት ነው። ጸሎት ማድረግ ነው። ኖርማሊ ጸሎት ያደርጋሉ።
Divayu means begging God. Of their cattle. When they pray, they always have milk.
The Gedaa system honors Dabale, which means mother of a son. Both the mother of Dabale and Dabale will be honored by the society because they are considered to be closer to God. And the mother will bless others saying Dabale Eyi, which means let you give birth to Dabale. Gubisa is a ceremony held to name attach special meaning to the Gubisa ceremony. It happens during springtime when everything turns green, brightening under the shine of full moon. During the ceremony, they wear their honorary outfits, kello. Sameg Abasa. They also build galma, a house for a ceremony. Women take the responsibility of building the house, singing korale, encouraging one another. Abunjila. After they shave the father's hair, Abunjila starts to shave his child's hair using milk and water. Once he started shaving his child's hair, anyone could finish it. But the shaved hair should be kept in kwari, which is made of watesa tree. This is a very important material for the naming ceremony. Male children. The procedures of the ceremony make them alike, but Gudisa is unique in terms of the number of attendants, as well as one ceremony. During both ceremonies, the boy's father and 7 others go out to cut a tree named Gwat. During the night time, the boy's mother roasts 16 coffee beans and serves it with milk. As Borana's belief, God sent 3, blessed 7, and added 8, so the boy's parents choose 7 people named Torbenjila to bless the boy. The newly named boy ceremonies at night time, men staying inside and women staying outside. The next morning is a time of gift, which they call it Handura, a gift for a boy. Cattle. They put the boy's hair from the quarry on the cattle like air, to be abandoned.